Hi, Beanbeauties. How are you doing today? Today's another COACHmas. It's a Coach outlet bag that I've been waiting on. This is my last Coach outlet bag, my last Coach bag of the year. Maybe. I'm planning. Well, I purchased. Yes, it's the last one that I purchased out of my funding is the last bag of the year. So it went on sale. I was waiting for it to go on sale, hoping that it wouldn't sell out, and it didn't. And so yay, I was able to get it for just a little bit under what originally it was priced at. Also, we will be doing the advent calendar that we'll be doing today is a Labubu, and I don't know if I have anything extra. I don't think I need anything extra. So come on back and we'll check out what I got. Hey Beanbeauties, how you doing today? We have a great Coach outlet bag today. I saw this bag. We're gonna get right into it. We're gonna get right into it because I saw this bag when I went with Delene from Yoshia Lux and our friend Paula to the outlet mall. I'm looking for my cutter so I can cut and talk at the same time. I tell you, if y'all could see in here, maybe on the last episode, I'll be brave enough to be able to take pictures and show y'all. Okay, hold on, let me go find it. Hold on, because I can't do anything without it. Okay, Beanbeauties, I couldn't find the one that I was looking for, but I found another one. That's what all it counts. So yes, where did I leave off? That I had seen this when we went to the outlet store. Yes, Coach plays games with us. They raise the prices and they lower the price, but even with doing that, this bag was still on sale. I think I got it for like $20 less, and that made me happy. The bargain hunter I am, it made me happy. It came in this box. So I purchased this. It was part of the Black Friday sale. Ta-da, can you tell what it is? I was happy I got it because I really been thinking about this bag. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And it's so pretty. It is the Emory. Oh, I remember this. Okay, so I'll put the price or a video of what I saw it when we went to the outlet.
This is called the Emory.
The Emory, that's right. Yes, the Emory. That one's the Emory, but I like it in that color. That color.
I think this is a beautiful color.
Did you like this bag, Delene? I like this one
it.
too.
And then the softness of it.
Yes.
Is crazy.
The price tag. Yes. The price tags for these are, I want to say $1.99, which I thought was a fair price, but I purchased my leopard shoes, so I couldn't afford to get this and the shoes at the same time. And then it was kind of one of those things where I thought, well, I waited this long. Let's see if I can find it on sale. Wait for it to go on sale. Well, then the black one went on sale and this color did. And I thought, okay, I don't need another black bag. I hardly reach for my black bags as it is. So it has this beautiful clochette here that I think you use it as, you can put charms on it or a key ring. You can put your keys on it. But I had planned on using it for charms. All right, I wanted to try to get as much off as possible to show y'all. Okay, here's the front, here's the side, here's the back, here is the other side, here is the bottom, here is the top. Oh my gosh, this leather is so soft to touch and it's smooshy. When I take it out, you're gonna be able to see that it's like a slouchy bag. It has feet on the bottom, which is great. We eat out at restaurants a lot, and I mean, it's like just tonight, my daughter, poor thing, she spilled her soda all over her lap. I'm not sure what happened. So, you know, there's always hazards when you have kids, even big kids. So, you know, it's nice to have feet because the tables, you know, they're not pristine condition. So I love to have feet on a bag. When I went back to my video, and this was the color of bag that I wanted to hold out for. So when it came back into stock, and it was available, I was like, definitely. So here, you have to push up on it to open it up. I think this is the refined leather that they're calling the refined leather. Let me take all this stuff out and I'll come back. Okay, it came very well packed. It has this beautiful, soft, silky microfiber. It is just an open cavern. It has the zip pocket in the back. It has this beautiful little pull, and it has the Coach's Creed back there. It does come with the crossbody strap, but look at how soft and squishy this bag is. Oh, that's just seems to be the style that Coach is going for in both the retail and the outlet, and I am here for it. It has these wonderful little tabs here on the side that feeds through, and it also feeds through on the inside. It's going to take me some time to take that off, so I'll have to take it off at another time. And then when you close the bag, so of course it's hard to close it when it is not stuffed. Okay, so I stuffed it back up so I could close it easily. Oh my gosh. So it has the hooks here, which these are just, look at the detail. It's like a little V shape right there. And you hook the crossbody on there. Here, let me set this here while I get the crossbody strap out. Gosh, this is extremely soft as well too. All right, so do we have the swivel? We do have the swivel. Where I like it is I like it down the top of the bag here on my hip, which is my hip is here. So I definitely need a small extension, but in an emergency right now until I can get it, I'm happy with it there. So this is pliable, so it doesn't really hurt or stick too much. Most likely though, this bag to me is a top handle bag. This is just such a gorgeous bag. This one actually does have a name, Maroon. Most gorgeous color ever. It is just stunning. I saw this in person. It went out of stock, waited to come back, and my gamble paid off. I will put up the price what I got it for. Like I said, it was $1.99, I believe. When I went into the store, it was that for a long time. Then of course when Black Friday came in, they jacked up the price, and then they marked it down 25%, but I was still able to get it about 20 bucks under the $1.99 price, I believe. So I was happy. I was happy that it was in stock and I got to get it on a little bit of a sale. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, let me know, do you have this Emory? If you have it, what color? Are you liking it? I had a choice between this one and the Etta bag, the large Etta bag. Once again, the large Etta bag, when I was on the website, was sold out in color similar to this. All they had was black, and I'm just not wanting to do black. I have so many black bags, and I've worn one black bag this entire year. Yeah, so I believe it's just two black bags this entire year, and it's just, yeah, I need to make some hard decisions about my black bags. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, I will see you over on the Advent calendars time. Okay, we're gonna have a little bit of story time over here before we get to Advent calendar time, because I know some of y'all are gonna say, I thought the Coach denim crystal bag was my last bag of the year. I did say, because some of my friends who were giving me a hard time, aka Simply Lady M, Delene from Yoshia Lux, and who else? I forgot who else would give me a hard time. I had said in those videos that I believe that was going to be my last bag of 2025 that I purchased, because I had so many to unbox, except for there was two that I was looking at. One that was in the Coach outlet and one that was in the Dooney, on the Dooney website, that either, I didn't know if it was going to come out on Dooney.com or I Love Dooney. So I was able to secure both of those bags at great prices on sale, because I was waiting for them to go on sale if I was going to grab them. And those were gonna be it for my 2025 purchases. So I did it. I did it. So out of my money, then that's my budgeted money for the year. Those are, I guess, technically the last 3 bags, but that I have. So one from the Coach retail, one from the Coach outlet, and one from Dooney itself. Okay, so back to the Labubus. So I know all of y'all are trying to get me, but I also did say, just ask Liz from Nothing But Bags. She paid attention.
The caveat to all of that is, I'm like Diddy Bean. I am subject to these, all of the things. There's a little disclaimer now across the screen. All the things said in this video are subject to change at any moment. I'm a handbag addict. I'm irresponsible, and I'm an addict. So all the stuff I just said is subject to change. If y'all roll around here and see me unboxing a small orange bag that's $4,000, don't judge me. You know what I'm saying? I don't think that's gonna happen no time soon. Don't judge.
I said,
don't judge.
I reserve the right to change my mind at any time. So I can say something, but I can change my mind. So don't come for me. But you can come for me, it's okay. But I was still within my rules. My rules. I don't like to put rules on myself, that's why. Alrighty, so here is my Labubu bag, Advent Calendar bag that I'm using. Here, we're just going to take this off the top. Okay, so here, this one has the little bag, big into the energy. I don't know if I was able to grab all the colors, but let's see. Okay, ready? What color was this? Oh my gosh, it's the purple. I forgot I got the purple. You know, I bought these so long ago. Look at that. It is so pretty. These big into the energy, right? Is a big, yeah, big into the energy, big into energy. The colors are just so vibrant and they're so beautiful. Yeah, I may not be able to keep these. These are the ones I want to keep because they're so pretty. So this is the Labubu. We're going to put it up here until I move it over to the tree. And then I'll try to do a picture, or the next time I'm recording over there, y'all be able to check it out on the tree. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Thank y'all for coming. Come after me if y'all want to. Don't come after me. Let me know what y'all think about my last bag, outlet bag of the year. And let me know if you remember me saying those 2 things. One, I was looking for one more outlet bag, and it was not the price at all of the tabby in that range. It's, you know, definitely was way less than that. And then the Dooney bag that also, both of them were less than $200 a piece. All right, Bean Beauties, love y'all. Bye-bye. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Bye-bye.